to another video. As you can see, the lights, actually this should be out of frame. Just pretend like when I started it, it was out of frame. Welcome back to another video. The reason why the lights are pink is because I have a pink product for you guys. Yay! Really love cute stuff. So, with that being said, are you ready? Oh, isn't it so cute? Let me show you back. Oh, you could wear, I just realized, you could wear this like a necklace. This is so amazing. So, do you think it's a necklace or what do you think it is? I could tell you what it is. Do you want me to tell you? It is headphones, but heart shaped. Wait, okay, so I know the new people, uh, they do something like this, right? Am I doing that right? I think. But I mean, we used to do it like this, so I don't know. Wait, am I saying my age? Well, you guys already know I'm old, whatever. So anyway, these are headphones. They come in black, pink, and white. And I haven't unboxed it. I've been waiting and dying to unbox it with you guys. So let's just read a little bit about it. It's 13 millimeters long, the actual coil of the device. The headphone charging time is a 1.5 hours, which is really not bad. The music time for playing would be 5 hours, which is also not bad. Wireless stereo headset. Oh, it's so cute. Look, it is so cute. Okay, so it has the little Bluetooth user manual. It has a USB-A to USB-C connector. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Don't come for my nails. I gotta get them done. I know. Here's the heart. It's so cute. Okay. So it has little plastic thingies on both sides. Don't come for my nails. Here's the charging port. And then check this out. You guys ready? Ready? Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? You put on your key ring. Tell me that's not the coolest thing ever. I'm in love with this. Okay, let's take out the actual headphone piece. Let's take out the actual headphone piece. It's so cute and widow. So cute. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm loving it. I hope it's already charged so that we can do this together. So it has right on the inside, so you know where's your right, and then it has the left here. So look, it is charged. I don't know if you can see the little light. So that's good. All right, let's left. Okay. So basically, what I'm gonna do is attach it to my Bluetooth, and then I'll be able to play music. Okay, so now it's connected. So I went to Bluetooth, and it was kind of hard to see. Sorry, you guys. And then on the bottom here, VITOG, that's what you'll see when you want to connect the headphones. So we're going to click connect. Yay, it's connected. Let's play one of my videos so that, you know, YouTube doesn't ping me, ding me. Can you hear it, guys? Let me put it by the mic. Do you hear it? I put the headphones by the mic. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Look stylish, look cute, especially for back to school or any gift or Valentine's Day. I think this would be really cute. So yeah, it's really simple. You take it right out of the heart and you connect it to your Bluetooth, and then you start listening to music in style. You can wear it as a necklace so that you don't lose it. Keep it around your neck, or you can put it on your keys. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and until my next video, besos.